Welcome to Tejas Enterprise, supplier of machine-purpose hand tools. The company was incorporated in the year 1991 at Mumbai. Our innovative technological development helps us to cater to aerospace, marine, and other industries. Excellent after-sales services, convenient payment options, and efficient logistics support are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a wide array of industrial cutting tools, torque wrench, and measuring tools. Our hand, pneumatic, and industrial cutting tools are extremely reliable. Torque wrench, measuring tools, and gauges offered by us are available at industry-leading prices. Our electrically operated screwdrivers, lifting tools, and tackles are setting a benchmark in the market. We also provide hydraulic jacks and broach cutting machines that are well known for their outstanding performance. Along with that, we offer industrial Hillman rollers, made push, and pull wages that are a class apart. For more information, log on at www.tejas.com.